Monday morning, November 18th, 2024. Looking at the Astro Excel for the week ahead, we start out down around the -10 line through last night into this early morning where we start to turn up. So we've got a upward move all the way through the day Monday, peaking out Tuesday morning at 1 a.m. And then we start a slow drift down, and then we're bouncing the zero line Tuesday. Wednesday at midnight, we get a little push up to the +10. Then we've got a downdraft into Thursday morning at 3 a.m. And then we push upward the rest of that day into Friday a.m. around 3 a.m. And then we're in positive territory, banging around and above, mostly above the +10 line. On the blue line, we've got some significant spikes today. We've got this spike high at 10 a.m. We're bouncing around between, we don't hit near the 10 mark again till Tuesday. We've got this spike bottom at -9. At 1500, we push up to 2 a.m., get a spike high at +9. And then in the evening, two big spikes, but these are going to be in the quiet time of 1800 and 2200. And then we get an important spike bottom here, which is a pretty deep one that goes all the way to just about -15 at 8 a.m. on Thursday the 21st. And then double hit here, 2000 Thursday, and then Friday early a.m., 1 a.m. we got the big spike high at 12.25. And then the last one of the week will be Friday here at 1400 in the afternoon at the -12.5 level. So that's it for the week. If I get a chance, I'll put trend segments out tomorrow.